Did you know TikTok keeps a record of all the videos you've watched in the past 180 days? If you're concerned about privacy or want to free up space, you can easily delete individual videos or clear your entire watch history using the TikTok app. To do this, go to your profile, tap on the three lines in the upper right corner, select Settings and Privacy, then Activity Center and Watch History. From there, you can delete single or multiple videos, or clear everything by selecting Select All Watch History. Remember, this action is permanent, and you can't restore deleted videos. If you want to download your watch history before deleting, access the account menu under Settings and Privacy. Choose Download Your Data, and follow the prompts to select the data format. Once your request is processed, you'll be able to download your file directly to your device.